If you are a gospel guitar player or you've wanted to play gospel guitar, today's lesson is for you. You are going to learn 3 chords that will help you play congregational quartet style gospel guitar. It's going to sound like this. If you felt like gospel guitar hasn't been in reach because there's too many chords, it's too complex, there's gatekeepers, today I really want to help you. I want to break it down. All you have to learn is 3 chords. You're going to be able to play this music authentically. Today, you're going to learn these 3 chords, and we're going to break these 3 chords up into a 3-step method, okay? So step 1 is to actually learn the chords, okay? So the first chord is A dominant 7. Looks like that. You can also just play the upper structure, and when I say upper structure, I just mean play the thinnest 4 strings and just don't play the fat 2 low strings. And the reason being is that in this track, there is a bass player covering those lower frequencies, so you don't necessarily need to play this big bar chord, okay? So this is chord number 1, okay? This is chord number 2. It's called a D9. Okay. And then we're going to scoot this chord up 3 frets. And we're just going to play, once again, the upper structure. So the 4 thinnest strings. Okay. And finally, chord number 3 looks like this. So it slow. The D chord. But in context, the bass player is playing an E. Gives you that suspended sound. Okay, so let's go over those chords one more time. A dominant, D7. We're going to scoot that D7 up 3 frets. And just so you know, it's a B. The root is a B, but lucky for us, we don't have to play that B note. Okay, and then this is the 3rd and final chord. And back home. All right. So those 3 chords you're going to be able to get through congregational quartet style guitar. Step 2 is to understand the right hand, chucking. If you really want to do a deep dive on chucking, you're going to want to check out this video. The long and short of chucking is that you're going to want to make sure your right hand is like a locomotive. It is never going to stop moving. It is the bedrock. It is the foundation to everything you are playing. So even if you mess up on the left hand, even if your chords get a little funny, your right hand is going to continue to play, okay? And the rhythm you want to do is just down, 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 up, down, down. Ghost note on the up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, okay? Then we're going to speed that up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Step 3, we're going to put it all together, okay? So we're going to play our chords. We're going to get that chucking. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. We're going to play this next chord, D9. Okay, one more time. A, D9. Notice that right hand is just going to keep going. If you're enjoying this video on gospel guitar, you're going to want to check out my free gospel guitar course. I'm going to link that below in the description. Remember, there's only 3 chords, there's the strumming pattern, and then you put it all together. Now, the beauty of these chords is that you can move them all around. So the progression you just learned was in the key of A dominant, right? So as long as you know the notes on your low E string, that fattest string, you're going to be able to play gospel guitar. Okay, so that's your landmarker. Now, say we wanted to play gospel guitar, this quartet style, congregational music in the key of C. Well, all you'd have to do is find your C note, and boom, you'd play these same chords. C. Your strumming remains the same. And then that's it. You're just able to move all those shapes up. F. Now that you understand the basic chords for gospel guitar, I want to help you dive deeper in this video.